National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near LaRue from Friday morning until further notice at 10 p.m. Thursday. The stage was 9.4 feet minor flooding. This forecast flood stage is 11 feet forecast to rise above flood stage by Friday morning and rise to near 12.2 feet by early Saturday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 12 feet, flooding occurs in lowland areas in and around the village of LaRue. Route 37 and parts of Vine Street inundated.